Alright, recording the sewer from the cleanout here in 2207's basement now. We are out where the line becomes shared with 2211, the far house. That's that 6-inch line. The 2205 house, where we made the first recording, we already saw this section of pipe because this is a shared section that actually runs through the basement of the house here. There's a connection point right there for the laundry drain utility sink in the basement. Again, this is a shared 4-inch cast iron sewer line running through the basement of this home, which is a very uncommon setup. Sure enough, there's the clean out there. So we already saw that section of pipe in the last recording. I just wanted to show that we did make a recording from in here. Now I'm going to go pop out to 2211s and make the rest of our recording from there. End the video.